the chi-goodness of fit test. This test deals with categorical variables from a single population.
To find the degrees of freedom, you do n minus 1, where n represents the number of categories.
The three conditions you have to meet to prove a chi-square goodness test is 1, the population has to be 10 times the sample, 2, it has to be a random sample, and 3, your expected count has to be greater than 5.
Okay, in order to find the expected counts to meet the condition, you multiply the total of each category times the expected counts. And you have to compare and make sure they are all greater than 5 to make sure the condition is met.
Okay, for your hypotheses, the first one, your null hypothesis, has to be the same as the claim proportions. Your alternative hypothesis has to have at least one count that's different than what we predicted, or the predicted claim.
The formula to find chi-squared is you do observed minus expected squared divided by the expected, and then you add each category to each other to find chi-squared.
After you've imported your information into your lists, you go to test, or stat, and over to test, and then you can scroll down to your chi tests, which will be near the bottom, somewhere. Did I pass it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's right here. Go for it.
After you do the calculations, you're going to have to interpret what just happened. So, if p is less than 0.05, then you have insufficient evidence to reject the null. And then if p is greater than 0.05, then you have sufficient evidence to reject the null.